Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for PAL, str and int. This error occurs when you try to perform an exponentiation operation using the operator or the built-in PAL function between a string and an integer. For example, the following code would produce this error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. This error occurs because the operator and the PAL function can only be used with numerical data types, such as integers or floating point numbers, but not with strings. To fix this error, you need to ensure that the operands of the exponentiation operation are of numeric data types. You can use the int function to convert the string to an integer, like this. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.